City sleeps, but we don't.
Shadows call, we answer.
I walk alone.
Promises broken, hearts turn to stone.
Eyes in the dark, I feel your ghost. Every echo reminds me of what I lost.
I hear your voice, it cuts like rain.
Whispers of love, whispers of pain. In every shadow I see a flame, I reach for you, but it's never the same.
I hunt the night for what we had.
I haunt the memories, good and bad.
Together,
neon shadows pull us in. A dance of lush where love began. I am the shadow, I am the fire. I am the whisper, I am desire. Every step I take, the past follows near.
your ghost beside me, your voice I hear.
Betrayal, spite, it scars my soul, but in the darkness, I still feel whole.
I'm tangled in the night, lost in your stare.
Memories linger, I'm gasping for air.
If love is a shadow, then let me be the one you feel when you can't see me.
The city moans.
I am alone. I'm here with you.
I'm here with you.
Neon shadows take us away.
Through the night, we'll find our way. I am the shadow, I am the fire. I am the whisper, I am desire. Neon shadows, we collide tonight.
Haunting echoes in the city lights. Soft whispered scents,
City fades.
but we don't.
Shadows call.